In this video, I will show you how to block someone on Facebook app. First of all, open the Facebook application. Look for the profile you want to block. Once you find that profile, tap on its username. That person's profile will open. Here, tap on the three dots located at the right side of the screen. Different options will appear. Tap on the block option. Then a confirmation window will appear. To confirm it, again tap on block. It will take some time to block the user, and after the process completes, a pop-up window will appear telling you that the user has been blocked. Tap on close to close it. There is another method too to block any user. Navigate to the home screen of Facebook application. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. On the profile page, tap on the settings gear icon located at the top. After that, on the next screen, scroll down and tap on the blocking option. Here you will see a list of users you have already blocked. Now to block another user too, tap on the option add to block list. You can also search for the person you want to block. Type in their name, and once you find their profile, tap on it to select that user. Then tap on confirm. After that, a pop-up window will appear that you have blocked that user. To close it, simply tap on close. Now go back to the blocking page. Here you can see that the recently blocked user has also been added to the blocked list, and this is how you can block someone on Facebook app.